Have you ever noticed how we keep chasing things? Success, relationships, validation, hoping they'll finally make us feel complete. Yet, even when we get them, something still feels missing. The truth is, nothing in this world was designed to fully satisfy our souls. That space in our hearts was made for God alone. Psalm 63 verse 1 says, "O God, you are my God. Earnestly I seek you. My soul thirsts for you." Just like our bodies need water, our souls need God to truly live. When we seek satisfaction in people, we end up disappointed. When we seek it in achievements, we end up exhausted. But when we seek it in God, we find peace that doesn't depend on circumstances. God doesn't just give temporary happiness. He gives lasting joy, deep peace, and a sense of purpose. So today, instead of asking, "What else do I need to feel fulfilled?" try asking, "Am I resting in God?" Because real satisfaction isn't found in having more. It's found in knowing Him. Seek God first and let Him fill the world never could.